Dear student, today we are going to start admission of a new partner. Generally in board exam, 12 marks practical question comes and 2 marks theory question. Its mean admission of a new partner fetch 14 marks in the board exam. Now question says, what is the need of a new partner? Question says, what is the need of new partner? What is the need of a new partner? Sometimes firm feels that they have lack of capital. So they invite a partner, a person who can invest additional capital in their partnership. So when the partnership feels shortage of capital, they can invite a new partner, a new person to come to the partnership firm as a partner and bring the additional capital so that the financial strength of the partnership becomes strong. Number two, sometimes a partner is quite good in management. To get the advantage of his management ability, the firm can invite a person to become the partner of a partnership firm. Sometimes firm needs capital, management ability, and when the firm expand, they want certain person to help in their extension because it is not possible. Maybe it is not possible that old partner can carry over the extension. So they may invite, they may say to a person to enter as a partner so the expansion of the business can be easily manageable. And sometimes a person have a good reputation, name and fame, the firm can call him and said you become our partner so that your reputation, your name also give the benefit to us. So the firm can also get the advantage of a reputation of a person and give him an offer to come into the partnership firm and become a new partner. So generally new partner required for additional capital to get the advantage of management ability of a person, to expand the business and to increase the reputation of business. Now when the new partner admit, it have mainly two effects. Number one, when the new partner will come, he will share certain future profit and losses. Number two, when he invests the capital, automatically he will be also the part of the assets of the firm. When he invests the money in the capital, he becomes the partner, he is the part of the assets of the firm, partnership firm. Now everything under the admission, it come under the section 31, or you can say admission of a partner come under section 31 under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Sometime question says what is section 31? Section 31 says the process of admission of a new partner under the Partnership Act 1932, under the Partnership Act 1932. When a partner admit, the following adjustment take place. When a partner admit, the following adjustment take place. Number one, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Because when there are two partners and third one is entered as a partner, he also wants his share. So there will be change in the ratio of old partner because they have to give certain share to the new partner. So first adjustment, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Second adjustment, when he entered into the partnership, the old partner says bring the certain amount of goodwill. Goodwill means name, fame, and reputation. So there are certain treatment of goodwill, or we can say certain accounting treatment of goodwill. Third adjustment, treatment of JLP, joint life policy. Joint life policy. Fourth treatment, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Revaluation of assets and liabilities. Next one, treatment of reserves and accumulated profit. Treatment of reserves and accumulated profit. And the last one is adjustment of capital. So at the time of admission, we required 6 types of adjustment: change in profit sharing ratio, accounting treatment of goodwill, treatment of joint life policy, revaluation of assets and liabilities, treatment of reserves and accumulated profit, and adjustment of capital. So tomorrow we will take the first part, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Have a nice day.